Well, before treatment, woke up one morning just shortly after Christmas, December 30th actually, and I was wearing a bridge that I'd worn for years and years, and it broke. I was like, oh my God. And with being just before New Year's Eve, I thought, how am I going to get to a dentist? But my Dr. Sheri booked me in that very day on New Year's Eve. How many people work on New Year's Eve? Yet she worked on New Year's Eve to help put my mind at rest that something could be done with my teeth. I had never even seen my teeth without the bridge. I was terrified that I wouldn't be able to talk again or eat or smile or anything. I thought my life was over that morning, but Dr. Sheri put me at ease, told me that something could be done and walked me through the process of the various options I had. When I first came in, of course, I was terrified at the thought of getting my teeth extracted and getting implants put in. I thought it would be excruciatingly painful, but it was not. It was actually, I had to get bone grafting done before the implants were put in, and it was virtually almost painless. It sounds painful, but it was virtually almost painless. And then when the implants went in, half my journey was over. And then of course I even left the temporary teeth that I got put in, but the final implants, the final teeth were just amazing, and I'm so happy with them. Dr. Sheri even matched up the color to match my own teeth so well. People don't even know I got implants. It's just, they're amazing. I can eat properly with them. They don't slip. They're just amazing. I wish I'd gotten them done sooner and got my teeth done a lot sooner, because I've been really happy with my teeth ever since.